Hi, Sarah Banas here, Simply Sarah Made Easy. I'm going to show you something really neat and incredibly simple today. Have you ever seen these designs and people put them on sublimation tumblers and um, all kinds of sublimation designs, but also like on printables for cards and stuff like that, and wondered how it's done? It is so incredibly easy. It's a one-click effect. So let me first say, if this video is of interest to you or helpful, like the video. That helps me out a lot, but also subscribe to my channel. When you're subscribed, you'll get a notification when the new videos come out once or twice a week. Just lots of neat ways to use your machines and materials, but also learning how to design for yourself. So like I said, subscribe, you'll get those notifications. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on this. It's so incredibly easy. So you can see here that we are in Adobe Illustrator. I'll link in the video description where you can get Adobe Illustrator. So let's go ahead. I'm going to back out of this. So I'm going to undo that. You can see all this is just a basic SVG. You know, it's nothing special, just an SVG. So I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to go up here. I'm going to go to Effects, and I'm going to go to 3D and Materials, and I'm going to go to Inflate, and that's it. That's all there is to it. It's that easy. How neat is that? And you can take multiple ones, or you can even take, like if I wanted to, I could have a background, and I could take this background and so let's make that blue, and then I can inflate the background too. 1 second. Make sure that it's selected, and then click inflate. And see, that inflates the background, and then you can take that and send that to the back, and then you have the inflated background. And you can also go ahead and you can you can adjust all of these. You can adjust the taper and the volume, and so the volume is like how much, and then the twist on it, and there's all kinds of stuff you can do with it. So that's that. And then you can take and you can add text to it also. So let's say I took and I just got a new font that I really, really, really like. This is super cute. And then you could type whatever you wanted to into it. And then you can take that and you can inflate that. And so the black doesn't show being inflated very well. White does. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Oops. A little bigger, and then with that selected, go to inflate, and see that makes a really neat effect to the text. And that's all there is to it. How incredibly easy is that? Pretty neat, right? Okay, so that's it. Like I said, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and also join us on Facebook. So I'm going to link in the video description. I'm going to link Sublimation for Beginners, 170,000 members, super friendly, super helpful. You'll fit right in. So definitely join us there. And I hope you have a great day. Bye.